Testing the starter. Next mark. So we know that the starter works direct. So annoyed. So there's only engagement with the passive current for the starter.